everyone, welcome to Mather PE. Today I've got a PE hack that'll hopefully help solve your water bottle situation. They were the bane of my existence in phys ed class. A lot of kids bring water bottles to class and I want to encourage hydration, but we didn't have a safe spot to put them, and so we'd line them up on the bench or tuck them under a bench, but any ball that would come towards it was like bowling pins, and we'd have water bottles going flying, and if they spilled it'd make a mess. So hopefully this hack will help, and you can maybe try this in your gym, and it encourages hydration and avoids all the clutter. So let's take a look and I'll show you what we did. Super easy, helped me a lot. So as I mentioned, we used to tuck them under a bench, but what we did is we went to Walmart and found these shoe holders, and basically what I did is put them into the wall with anchors so it's securely back there against the wall. It's not going anywhere. I also put in an anchor down here at the bottom, so this stays flush to the wall. If I didn't put in those bottom ones, it ended up kind of letting the water bottles fall out a bit, so this secured it much better. They're all numbered 1 to 24, so I have a spot for every kid in each class to be able to put their water bottles. Keeps everything super organized off the floor, less of a danger, less of a hazard, and it's turned out great. We also bought another one as well, and this one lives in my office on the back wall as well. And this one I use to store glasses, safety glasses for badminton or floor hockey. And again, they're all assigned, so every student has the same pair of glasses. And I just pull this out and hang it on the wall out there when I need it. Another great hack as well for keeping glasses organized. So we've got all the water bottles there, haven't had a spill yet. Nice organized place for kids to put them. So hopefully that hack helps you to keep things organized. It's great for glasses, great for water bottles, just to keep your gym organized. It worked great for me, and we haven't had any incidents or spills, and it keeps things really organized. So hopefully that helps. Please give me a like, a subscribe, a comment on the video if it helped you. And if you have any other phys ed hacks that you use and you want to share them, stick them in the comments below, and maybe I can create a video for something like that in the future. Thanks everybody, take care.